This is our first video of our cell unit, and it is going to be over cell theory. So, cell theory is a small set of ideas. When we compare it to the stuff that we've already learned, it's not very complicated. I mean, it's got 3 principles and that's it. But cell theory was kind of a big deal in biology. It kind of changed what biology was. Before cell theory, biology was primarily looking at living things, describing them, and then categorizing them, sorting them. Okay, this is related to that because they both have wings, and this is related to that. And though by the 1600s we weren't, well, actually by the 1600s we were still doing a lot of guessing, you know, a lot of morphology, a lot of like bats are birds because they got wings. That kind of stuff was still going around. We were beginning to get more sophisticated with it, but we weren't there yet. And so when Antonin van Leeuwenhoek, and this is occurring in the 1600s, mid-1600s. He set up his own lens grinding shop in 1650s, and he was like making magnifying glasses and stuff. Well, he started making compound lenses. So he'd take one lens, grind it, and then take another lens and another lens, and so he could stack multiple lenses. Well, he wrote a letter that indicates that by 1670s, somewhere in there, he had seen what he called animalcules. And that's a cute little word, right? Because he's like, oh, look, it's little tiny things, and they move around. It's cute. They're animals. And so that changed everything, because then everyone's like, oh my gosh, it's the big biology thing now. There's little tiny things that nobody can see. We've got to check this out. So they, make more microscopes, and people start looking at it, and that just blows everybody's mind. So that's sort of the start of cell theory, right? And lots of stuff happens, but we get to where we are today, and that is that it's different. It's different than it was before. Instead of just looking at stuff and categorizing it and sorting it out, they're like, wow, what is going on? Can we, or what, if this is a living thing, what about other living things? How do living things reproduce? I mean, gone are the days of spontaneous generation and that life just occurs when food happens. No. We get it now. It's cells exist. They make more cells, all this stuff. So the principles of cell theory, and it led to germ theory, which means that we can have a better understanding of how people get sick. It's a kind of a big deal. Like if cells exist and then cells are germs and germs make people, then biology can be used to help fight this. I mean, it's huge. It's awesome. Cell theory is great. Here are the principles. 1. All living things are made of 1 or more cells. 2. Wait, I gotta retrieve it. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on, I'm gonna pause while I retrieve this. 2. Cells are the smallest particle that exhibit the qualities or characteristics of life, aka the smallest living thing. And 3. All cells come from pre-existing cells. That's it. That's cell theory. I'm sorry, there's a big long pause there when I was trying to remember the second one. That's all. Short little video. Struggle well.